everyone. Today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks of using a wide flat brush. Some of you may like wide flat brushes, some of you may not. Some of you may think it's a little bit difficult because your nails are narrower. I do have actually both kinds of nails. Some of them the wide flat brushes fit well on, and my pinky finger especially, it does not. So I'm going to show you how to use that and not make a whole mess on the sides of your fingernails. To help me with this demonstration, I have Zoya Binks, Hollow Taco's The Floor is Guava, and Nailtopia's So Fresh, So Clean. Each of these wide flat brushes is slightly different from the other ones. First of all, I like wide flat brushes because they are rounded at the tip. And as you know, when you get up near the cuticle edge of your nails, it is rounded. So this helps apply the polish better, I think, and doesn't flood the sidewalls of your nails up near that corner as much. As you can see, the rounded brushes work really nice with the top part of your nail or the back part of your nail, whichever you call it, at fitting in there real well. The Zoya wide flat brushes are sold separately unless specified. Some of their collections do include the wide flat brush, and some of the specials you'll get the wide flat brush free. This is the neon collection, so it actually had the wide flat brushes. But I do purchase the extra wide flat brushes. I'm in the process of changing out all of my brushes for Zoya. I do keep the thinner brushes though. I keep those for nail art because if you're trying to do something like detailed, you might need a thinner brush. So I do keep those. With the wider brush, you need less brush strokes, so you get a more even application of the polish, I think anyway. Look at that. A couple of strokes and you're not getting any patchiness. This is my pinky finger. So as you can tell, the brush is like wider than my finger. So what I do is, I'm hoping this you'll be able to see, I kind of tilt it on its side. So I brush just the side of one, like on the brush on one side of the nail, and then I tilt it the other way and I brush it on the other side. So part of the brush is raised up instead of flat. So it's just kind of like in an angle and raised up a little as you're dragging the nail polish across the fingernail. This method I found to be the best way to apply it to my narrow fingers. At first when it came out, I was applying it like this, but I did like taking advantage of the rounded bristles and the wider brush by applying it at an angle. This is the Hollow Taco cremes. They all have the wide flat brush in so far just the creme polishes. You can also now purchase the thin brushes or the thick brushes if you want to replace the brushes in either the cremes or the other polishes. But I found that the other ones are okay with the thinner brushes. However, I think I would like the fatter brushes in my top coats and base coats. I think that would be beneficial. And here is the second coat. Just applies so evenly all over your entire nail. And here I'm applying it in the same way. I'm just tilting it up on its side. This one actually isn't too wide. I could actually apply this one normally on my pinky, because this one isn't as wide as the other one. But if you find that your nails are smaller or more narrow, you can also apply this one up on its side. Actually, I didn't really notice that this one, because I haven't used these very much since I got them with the wide flat brushes. So yeah, actually I'm pretty excited about that. And here is the second coat. Gives a great smooth finish. Here is the Nailtopia one, and the Nailtopia one is narrower. It's not quite as wide, but it is flat and somewhat rounded at the tip. I'm kind of noticing now it's a little bit squared, but I do like the fact that it's a flat brush. All Nailtopia brushes are the same flat type of brush. This brush is also a little bit on the narrower side, so it does fit smaller fingers, but if your fingers are too small, you can always tilt it upward as well. And here is the second coat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.